Good morning to all my dear students. You all are welcome to this video subject session of maths. But students, today we are going to see one of the new question on workbook, which is on page number 14. Ready students? So students, here is the question number 21 which is given. What does it say? Answer the following questions on the basis of the table given below. Here is the table given below and we have to answer the question on the next page based on this table. Now here first column is the type of the mango and rate per kg. Now students, these are the types of mangoes. We all eat mango, but we don't know what mango we are eating. So let us clear the concept of the type of mango also today in this video session by understanding the question. So badam mango, the rate of badam mango per kg means 1 kg. Okay, so rate of 1 kg badam mango is rupees 60. Rate of totapuri mango for 1 kg it is 40 rupees. Rate of hafus, that is the Alfonso mango, for 1 kg is rupees 50. Rate of langdo mango for 1 kg is rupees 70, and rate of kesar mango for 1 kg is 150. Now here the types of mangoes are given and here the rate of 1 kg is given. Let's come to the next page. What does the question number 1 say? Sudha Ben buys 3 kg badam mango. How much amount does she pay? Now students, what does this given here? Sudha Ben is buying 3 kg badam mango. Now students, I am writing the answer here and will understand the answer. Sudha Ben buys how much kg of the mangoes? 3 kg. Which kind of the mango? She buys badam mangoes. So the price of badam mango for 1 kg, let us look at the table again. This way we'll solve the question. Students, the price of 1 kg badam mango is rupees 60. Okay students, so now students, here what we have to do, the price of 1 kg is 60 rupees for badam mango. So the price of 3 kg is equals to how much? Now price of 1 is given and we have to find the price of 3. In this case only we'll do the multiplication. It means 60 rupees for 1 kg. So for 3, how much rupees should be there? Multiplication, 3 zeros are 0 and 6 threes are 18. It means 180 rupees. I need to write here. So she pay 180 rupees for 3 kg badam mango. Let's look at the next question students. Maya Ben buys 5 kg totapuri mango and Jaya Ben buys 4 kg hafus mango. How much amount do they pay individually to the shopkeeper? So now students, here I have to make 2 columns for the answer because there are 2 persons. One here it is the Maya Ben and another it is the Jaya Ben. So students, Maya Ben buys totapuri mango. So price of 1 kg totapuri mango. Let's look at the table here. What is the price of totapuri mango? 40 rupees. Okay, coming again to the book. 40 rupees. Then how much does she buy? She buy 5 kg. What should be the answer? Again we'll do the multiplication here. 40 rupees for 1 kg and into 5. 5 zeros are 5 fours are 20. It means 200 rupees. So what we will write students? So she pay 200 rupees for 5 kg. Jaya Ben buys which kind of mango? Hafus mango. Price of 1 kg hafus mango. What is given here students? Again coming back to the question, 50 rupees. Okay, let's come back to the question. 50 rupees is the price of 1 kg hafus. She buys 4 kg hafus. What is the answer? So again do the multiplication. 50 rupees for 1 kg into 4 kg she is buying. Multiplication, 4 zeros are 5 fours are 20. So what we will write here students? So she pays 200 rupees. Clear students? Let us look at the next question. Rajendra Bhai buys 4 kg Langdo mango. Narendra buys by 2 kg Kesar mango. Who will pay more? How much? There are two persons. Let's again make two columns here. One for Rajendra Bhai and another for Narendra Bhai. So what is given here? Rajendra Bhai buys 4 kg Langdo. 1 kg Langdo mango cost 70 rupees. Okay, 70 rupees. 4 kg he is buying. What should be the price? So what we will do here, 70 rupees into 4, 4 zeros are 4 sevens are 28. So what we will write here, so he will pay 280 rupees. And Narendra Bhai buys which kind of mango? Kesar mango he is buying. It means students, 1 kg Kesar mango cost how much rupees? 150 rupees. So 150 rupees. And how much he is buying? He buys 2 kg. What should be the price? So again 150 rupees for 1 kg into 2. 2 zeros are 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 300 rupees. So students, he will pay 300 rupees. Now we have been asked in the question who will pay more. Here he is paying, Rajendra Bhai pays 280, Narendra Bhai pays 300. Of course he is paying more, so Narendra Bhai pays how much more he is paying? So what is the difference between 300 and 280? 20 rupees more. He is paying 20 rupees more. Clear students? Let's look at the next question. Sailesh Bhai buys 12 kg Kesar mango and gives a note of rupees 2000 to the shopkeeper. Then how much amount will the shopkeeper return to him? Let's solve the question here. Sailesh Bhai buys 12 kg Kesar mango. What is the price of 1 kg Kesar mango, students? The price of 1 kg Kesar mango is 150 rupees. Okay students, how much does he buy? He buys 12 kg. What we will do? Again multiplication will do. Okay, so 150 price of 1 kg. Again 12 kg he is buying. Okay students, so 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 and 3, and 1 zeros are 0, 1 5s are 5 and 1 1s are 1. Putting a line, plus sign, 0 0 0 8 1. So students, Sailesh Bhai pays. Now what is given here students? He is giving a note of 2000. Note means he is giving 2000 rupees to shopkeeper. So students, now again what we have to do? 2000 rupees he is giving to shopkeeper, a note of 2000 rupees, and we have to find out how much amount will the shopkeeper return to him. Now what price mango he is buying? He is buying the mango of 1800 rupees. Okay, 1800 rupees mango he is buying. Minus will do students. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 0 0. It is not possible. 10 carry would be done. 2 and 0. It means the shopkeeper returns 200 rupees to the Sailesh Bhai. Okay students, so this is the sum what we have done today. Let's look at the back side. Another two sums are given. Let's do the next sum. Dinesh Bhai has rupees 200. Dinesh Bhai has 200 rupees. He buys Hafus mango from quarter of that amount. Now students, Dinesh Bhai has 200 rupees, and now students, out of that 200 rupees, for that quarter means 4. Now students, to find out the quarter of 200, we need to divide 200 with 4. It means 4 5s are 20, 0 0. This 0 would go up. For 50 rupees, what he is doing? He is buying the Hafus mango. Okay, Dinesh bhai, students, what he is doing, he is buying the mango of 50 rupees as Hafus mango, and from that remaining amount, now students, here will do, he was having 200 rupees, out of that 50 rupees he is buying the Hafus mango. 10 1 150 rupees is remaining. What it is given here, from that remaining amount, the remaining amount which is given here, how much Hafus and Kesar does it buy? So Hafus, for 50 rupees, what was the cost of the Hafus mango? It was 50 rupees. It means exactly he bought 1 kg of Hafus mango, and for 150 rupees he bought Kesar mango. Okay students, so what was the remaining amount here? What is given here? Remaining amount, he buys Kesar mango. He buys Kesar mango. So what we will write here? So Dinesh buys 1 kg both Hafus and Kesar mangoes. Hafus and Kesar mangoes. Let us do the next one students. Mahesh bhai buys 3 kg Hafus mangoes, half kg Kesar mango, half kg Langdo mango. How much amount will he pay to the shopkeeper? Now Mahesh bhai first उसने क्या buy किया है? 3 kg Hafus mango. 1 kg Hafus mango, what is the cost? Here we have find out students, in the table also given 50 rupees. So for 3 kg, what should be the price? It means 50 into 3 kg, 50 rupees. Okay students, 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15 rupees. So for 150 rupees he is paying for Hafus mango. For Kesar mango, half kg, it means students 1 kg price for Kesar is 150 rupees, half kg price, it means the half of 150, the half of 150, I'm doing it here, half of 150 means divide by 2, 2 7s are 14, 75 rupees. Okay, so 75 rupees Kesar mango he is buying, and half kg Langdo mango. Langdo mango, what is the cost here students? 70 rupees. The price of 1 kg Langdo is 70 rupees. So for half kg, what we will do here students, he is buying half kg, it means 70 divided by 2, 2 3s are, okay, 2 3s are 6. So students, 2 3s are 6 and 1 0, 2 5s are 10, 0 0. So for 35 rupees he is buying the Langdo. Now how much amount we have to find it out students? How much amount will he pay to shopkeeper? There is no space here students, so you can also do it here. आप यहाँ पर कर सकते हो space में. We have to find it out how much total amount he is paying. So he is paying 150 rupees for 1 kg for Hafus mangoes. Okay, 75 rupees for the Kesar mango and 35 rupees for the Langdo mango. So total how much he is paying? 6 plus 7 plus 3 10 and 1 6 is 260 rupees. So what I will write here, so he pays 260 rupees in total. Let us do today's online session sum students. Come to the page number 14 of the book. Now what was given here? Sneha counted the number of vehicles passing by a road. Sneha is counting the vehicle. 2000 vehicles passed by in 2 hours. So Sneha vehicles count कर रही है, तो 2 hours में कितने vehicles passed out हुए students? 2000 vehicles. One half of the vehicles were the cars, 1/4 of them were the auto rickshaws, and the remaining were the trucks. Find the number of vehicle of each type. Students, क्या दिया हुआ है? Out of this total vehicles, we'll make 3 columns here for cars, for auto rickshaws. So auto rickshaws will make 1 column, And the last one for the trucks. We have to find it out, students, that what is the vehicle of each type. So half were the cars, it means half kiska hai. So 2000 is the total number of vehicles, of which one half, students, one half means 1/2 is the cars. Now I will multiply 2000 into 1 is 2000 and downside 2. Okay, students, so you will divide it here, 2000 with 2, 2 ones are 2, 0, 3 zeros would go up. What is the answer? 1000. So she counted 1000 cars. Let us do for the auto rickshaw. What is the fraction of auto rickshaw? It is the 1/4. I know that 1/4 means 1/4. 2000 is the total number of the auto rickshaws, of which 1/4 means 1/4. So 2000 divided by 4. Here 2000 divided by 4 is 2, 4 5s are 20. 0 0, 2 zeros would go up. Answer would be your 500. So she counted 500 auto rickshaws. Okay, now let us do the last one. What is the remaining? What is given here? The remaining were the trucks. Here no fraction is given. It means I have to find out the trucks. 2000 is the total vehicles. Okay, out of which 1000 were the cars. Fine, I'll do the subtraction. 1000 remaining vehicle, students, out of which 500 is the auto rickshaws. 10,005. So she counted 500 trucks. Clear, students? This you have to do it in your today's session and the one sum which we have done in the beginning of the session. Thank you. Have a nice day to all.